Konnichiwa.
Made it back to the laundromat. So I went to a different one closer to where I was at, and it just had 2 machines, no soap anywhere for sale, and it was like in the middle of like an apartment complex. It was kind of sketchy. I would have used it, but there was no soap. So I came back. I took the train back to the same laundromat I used on my last trip, where pretty much it has soap in the machine already and it dries it itself too. So to give myself a Coke. 110 yen. It's the size of a Red Bull. Tastes like a regular Coke. I wish I would have remembered about the setting. So this load of laundry is costing me $6.48. That's for 1,000 yen. I could have got it done for 100 yen, which means I could have paid 64 cents for a load of laundry instead of $6 and some change for a laundry. Don't forget to choose your setting. Alright, so we're back at the Pokemon Cafe. This is a second attempt. I'm trying to get into the cafe, but it's not looking good. It's all marked red. If I don't make it in this time, then next time I'll definitely make a reservation. Our luck is a little bit better this trip, so we actually made it inside. Let's check this food out. Hopefully you can see a dancing Pikachu.
Enjoy your meal.
So I just finished with a Pokemon Cafe. Gotta be honest, the food wasn't that great, but you know, it was cool to experience this once. Yeah, I just bought like a couple boxes of Pokemon cards. Spent like $83. Like I don't understand how to play the game, but the art is pretty cool. So I just bought a couple boxes. Alright, now off to Shibuya. Alright, we got a quick room review because I need to get ready and go. But we are in Shibuya. Quick little room tour. Ooh, automatically opens. All right, that's cool. Now, Got all the stuff you need. Yeah, got a nice little mirror. This is where your sink is to wash your hands. I already used it. Right here's a shower. It's just, that's the shower. Right here you have complimentary water. This is where your closet is. I'm not sure. Oh, it's just the other side of the mirror. Nice queen size bed. You got a TV. Sorry, my stuff's laying all around. Got a nice little couch. Get the city outside. See if we can see it. Oh yeah. Kind of curious what it's like at night. Right across the street, you have H&M, but down the street more is the mall. Looks pretty cool. I love how this is decorated. Got records on the wall. Now there's not actually records in here. I'm pretty sure they'll get stolen. But this is something I need for my house. That was my future wife back in the day. That's pretty much the room. I like the vibe. Looks pretty cool. Anyways, that's a quick room tour. I booked some go-karts. I got to be there in half an hour. So I need to get ready.